back to my channel. I'm Kezia. Today we're going to be doing a review on this beautiful wig. It is gorgeous, honey. If you want to know all the details about this unit, stick around. This wig is actually from Ali Pearl Hair. This is a pre-plucked 180% density 5x5 Brazilian virgin hair body wave wig. Check out the link in the description if you want to know all the details about this hair. For like really loose curls, so I'm taking really big sections and curling it. I think I curled that in the wrong direction. Just to curl it under. It's pretty good. Like, it could be fuller, but it's pretty good for 180. I'm not like mad at it. Like it's very comfortable to wear. And I do have the combs attached. It can also be glueless. You don't have to install it with any hairspray or glue. I happen to have mine installed with some hairspray, and I also bleached the knots on the unit. And I did swoop the baby hairs to give it that look like I'm wearing a frontal, where it's mostly focused towards here where you would normally have your baby hairs like on a frontal wig, but it's obviously a closure. Now the 5x5 parting space is obviously a little bit larger than the 4x4 traditional closure that we're used to, and it is a really deep part. So I'm going to show you guys the parting space. It's really deep. It goes all the way back there. I really like that. It looks really natural once you have it on. I don't have on a wig cap underneath, and the hair feels really soft. I've heard good things about Ali Pearl hair. This is my first time trying their hair. I kind of had a feeling that it was gonna be good quality, and if you guys are watching this, you probably already know about this company because they do produce really good quality hair. As you guys saw in the earlier footage, I did blow dry the hair and it got pretty straight, and then I straightened it with my straightener and it got bone straight. I can wear it wet and wavy, which is the Body Wave natural texture, or I can straighten it, or I can curl it. Either way, you can't complain because it looks good either way. The 24 inches is quite long on this unit. It's coming all the way down to my hips. It's true to length, if not longer. I definitely will never complain about a wig that seems on the longer side, because personally for me, the longer the better. The hair does not tangle or shed. There's no shedding as I'm running my hands through it. I'm actually loving this hair. This wig feels so beautiful. It looks really nice. It has a nice natural luster where it's not too shiny. This is what the ends look like. Now, it doesn't hold a curl as much as I would have wanted it to, but it still definitely curls. So if you want the curls to last you maybe all day, you might have to put some hairspray in it. Personally, I prefer my hair straight anyway. When the hair is more coarse and thick, that's when they tend to hold a curl better. I really like this hair so far. It's definitely caviar approved. If you want some bomb hair, definitely check them out because it's actually affordable, but you're getting good virgin hair. This can become your everyday hair. 10 out of 10 recommend get one for you and your mama. They always have some sales on. Check out the description box below for all the information. If you guys have any questions about this unit, leave it in the comment section. If you want to just say hi or give me a thumbs up, I really appreciate that too. I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye!